Let me correct three of your pronunciations. Number one, the very common and my favorite one is Wednesday. Yeah, we commonly mispronounce this word Wednesday. I have pronounced it wrong. The correct pronunciation is Wednesday. The D will be silent. The correct one is Wednesday. So please repeat after me. Wednesday. Then the second pronunciation, which is receipt. Yeah, I again mispronounced this word. The correct pronunciation will be receipt. 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 Please repeat after me. The P will be silent. Receipt. Then the third and the final word I'm gonna correct, which is kernel. We used to mispronounce it like colonel or cornell. The correct pronunciation will be kernel. 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 Please repeat after me. L will be silent. Kernel. So thank you so very much, and if you do struggle with any other pronunciations, please do comment the words below. Thank you so very much.